Soon we might not need these anymore, because scientists have been working on making self-destructive mosquitoes. Not just any mosquito, the kind of mosquito that gives dengue fever, Zika, yellow fever, and something that I can't quite pronounce. So give me 90 seconds and I'll explain to you how they're doing this, and you can be the most interesting person in the next room that you're in. So whenever you get stung by a mosquito, it will always be a female. The males don't bite. When the females lay their eggs, the scientists take the eggs and they put them under the microscope. That's where they inject a little piece of DNA. And this piece of DNA will only be activated in female mosquitoes. And what they do is actually quite cruel, but they make sure that before the female starts to sting you, they will make sure that the cells get over flooded with proteins that it won't be able to function anymore and the mosquito dies. So to be clear, they add a piece of DNA in male and female, but only the females will die before adulthood. So the males carry on and carry the gene, and this way, over a few generations, 90% of the mosquitoes will have died. And they won't be able to carry dangerous diseases anymore. And now I can hear you think, does that mean that we're taking away all the mosquitoes? Isn't that going to be a problem? Not exactly, because there are about 3,500 different species of mosquitoes, and this particular thing, what I talked about, is only on one specific species that is giving us all these diseases. Also, the gene that's added to the males and that will continue to be passed on to the males will eventually fade out. So it won't be going on forever. That also means that you need to keep releasing them. They have this thing in Brazil at the moment where you can buy egg release kits. In these kits you only have to add a little bit of water, and over the space of a football field, male mosquitoes with the right genes will spread. So why am I telling this? We're currently in a huge epidemic, and this biotech application could be part of the solution. Science has proven to work.